Out of the last 10 times, whenever he was able to get intimate with his partner, 8 times he was not at all getting any kind of erection. Doctor now prescribes him with 25 mg of tadalafil on a daily basis. He was taking those medication every day and it started giving him many side effects, and that thing brought Rahul to a place that he was hospitalized with various diseases found in him. How did Rahul stop his dependence on tadalafil and restored his natural erections? Rahul, a 35-year-old businessman, married for almost 7 years now, he recently came to me after suffering in silence for many years. He was running a business, providing for his family, working day and night. For most people, it would be a normal life. But for Rahul, he was actually suffering with erectile dysfunction. Out of the last 10 times, whenever he was able to get intimate with his partner, 8 times he was not at all getting any kind of erections. But apart from that, the rest of the 2 times as well, he was not able to maintain those erections. Talking about his morning erections were way too less, about only once or twice in a month. Now, when the cycle repeated, that left Rahul in much of anxiousness, fear, anxiety, and guilt. He then visited a doctor nearby. That doctor prescribed him with 5 mg of tadalafil. Even after taking that medication for about a week or so, there were no results seen. He went back to the doctor second time, and then the doctor upped the dosage to 10 mg per day. Again, he took those medications for about a week and a half, and then third visits comes in, where the doctor now prescribes him with 25 mg of tadalafil on a daily basis. Again, he was taking those medication every day in the morning with the milk as recommended by the doctor, but again no visible results were seen. Even if the results were seen, they were only temporary, and it started giving him many side effects like headaches, nausea, extreme sweating, and extreme palpitations as well. Frustrated, Rahul then went to a Babaji, and he gave him an unnamed medication, or you can say a kind of a jadi booty. And that thing brought Rahul to a place that he was hospitalized with various diseases found in him. There were many heavy metals found in his blood reports. Now, Rahul was very frustrated, very anxious about if he can still seriously and safely deal his ED or not. In the early years of a marriage, his wife was very supportive and patient as well. She encouraged him to see a doctor and sought ways to help him through this pain. However, as time passed by and attempts to fix the problem failed, her patience began to wane. She started expressing subtle frustration and eventually asked how long this would continue. Intimate moments became scarce, conversations grew shorter, and emotional distance formed. She began spending more time away at her parents' home, highlighting the strain ED had placed on their particular relationship. Each failed attempt made him question not just his role in the bedroom but also his worth as a man and as a partner. Now, this inner turmoil presented itself in his business decisions as well. His business suffered a lot because his confidence went low, as well as his decisions were clouded as well. Now, this made him go into a self anticipation that what kind of life is he going to live in the future, where intimacy, where confidence, and even closeness with his partner is going to be missed. So when Rahul came to us, we actually did a full body comprehensive test on him. Number one thing that we did was his penile Doppler test. That gave us results that said he had some various arterial and vascular dysfunction because of the excessive tadalafil use. Talking about the second parameter that we checked was the neurophysiological factors, which gave us an idea that his parasympathetic responses were delayed, whereas his sympathetic responses were actually very great. Now, talking about his third parameter, and this is the most important one, where we checked his endothelial natural markers, which said that the nitric oxide in his system was way too low, which actually resembles the erectile dysfunction. Talking about his lifestyle, there was various problems in his lifestyle. Number one being that he has been a regular smoker and drinker from his college days. Talking about his eating pattern, his sleeping pattern were all over the place. Talking about his lifestyle, was totally sedentary, because sitting in the office from morning up until the evening and maybe in the midnight as well, sitting in front of the screens, talking with the clients, mailing them, and all those things made his lifestyle totally sedentary, and his eating habits were wrong as well. He was just going about eating everything that he was able to find at that time. So just ready to go meals, or basically quick fixes. Now, all of this made Rahul lose his connection to natural intimacy. So we approached Rahul's ED step by step. Through neurosensory exercises and deep diaphragmatic breathing, we enabled Rahul to retrain his nervous system. Apart from it, he was also training his parasympathetic tone to be improved. Apart from that, his performance anxiety also became better. Through all this stuff, Rahul was actually able to perform better during natural intimacy, reducing down the dependency on tadalafil-like medications. Then we applied pelvic floor hypertrophy along with neural cognitive rehab. Pelvic floor hypertrophy gave him an edge over his reflex actions. Why? Because we trained his pelvic floor muscles to be more strengthened. Apart from that, secondly, alongside, we were also taking care of his neural cognitive rehab, wherein we were actually training those muscles to respond adequately in natural intimacy rather than shutting down altogether. Through cortisol and prolactin deregulation, his hormonal optimization became the whole backbone of his recovery. Taking from the prolactin, which was at high level of 45, we brought that down to 15. Then talking about cortisol, it was stabilized at somewhere around 12. Then testosterone, we boosted that up to 650. And estradiol was stabilized at 15.5 as well. Talking about the D3, that got improved drastically, where we took his D3 levels up a notch at 45.5. Now his circulation and endothelial functions were performing better, and he was also able to perform better in day-to-day life. Now with all these three interventions, we made Rahul free of ED and free of the dependency on medications like tadalafil, and he was able to perform naturally without any course of action. And within just 3 months, Rahul started noticing various good results, starting from his erection quality becoming better and reliable, with which he was able to perform better and without even the use of medications like tadalafil. Talking about his morning erections, that also became better from going on just about 2 to 3 times in a month. Right now it's about 26 to 27 days in a month, and that too with a better erection level. Previously, when he was coming back from the office, he used to go late at night just to avoid plain interaction with his wife and just to avoid that intimacy. But now he is actually getting intimate with his partner at least 3 to 4 times in a week, and that too for 2 rounds and with a very short refractive period. Talking about his energy levels, his sleep has improved quite tremendously, his daily lifestyle has improved, his energy levels have improved, and early in the morning when he gets up, he feels totally refreshed. Apart from that, his strength and stamina has improved overall, with which he is able to take control over his mind and body performance. Well, most importantly, it was all about his connection with his wife that got improved. Apart from that, arguments also became less and less intense, and this was the first time in their 7 years of marriage when they felt that it was a honeymoon phase. Apart from that, this actually rebuilt his confidence and intimacy with his wife, that also reflected upon his business life. He actually felt more confident and took decisions more decisively. Now, his business started growing as well. For Rahul, the biggest change is not perfection. It is to regain conscious control over his confidence and also regaining his connection with his partner. Every day that passes can make small cracks appear up in your relationship. The fear, anxiety, and frustration can build up over time, reducing the intimacy and trust with your partner. So waiting will only make the system harder to reset. So don't rely on any kind of quick fixes. Just book a private consultation call now and regain your overall confidence.